This is a quick demo of the online marketing system. When you log into your online marketing system, the first thing you will notice is that we've created step 1 all the way through step 5 as your guidance. This is your process to guide you along through the marketing system. Makes it very easy to navigate. So step 1 is the system navigation tutorial. For each step, there's the step, and then over to the right, you'll see a video. The videos are usually 3 to 5 minutes in length, and then above each video will be a link or hyperlink that you can click on with further instructions. So in step 1, we just show you how to get your profile page set up. You can go join our personal Facebook community. You can also set up where you can receive text message alerts when someone opts into your capture page. So that's a really neat feature. We'll close out of that. Let's go to step 2. Step 2 is our webinar training. So we do our webinar training every Tuesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This video tells you a little bit about the webinar training. Above the video, again, is a link. Once you click on that link, it gives you all of the details for the webinar training, where to log in, what number to dial in. And if you missed the webinar training, we record all of our webinars. So if you click the link there, it will open up a new window and it will give you all of the recorded webinars. So if we want to take a look at November, we click into November and we've got our latest recorded webinar. So you're never going to miss anything that's going on in the system. Let's go back to our dashboard. That's under webinar training. Step 3 is probably the most important step. This is your Tool Suite University. Under Tool Suite University, again, we've got a video, and then above the video is a link. When you click on that link, there are different trainings according to the different things that you want to see within the online marketing system. So if you want to understand how the autoresponder works in your online marketing system, click on autoresponder. It will take you to a page where you will get a tutorial on the autoresponder. So the online marketing system in step 3, the Tool Suite University, has several videos here that you can learn how to use the system. Make sure you go through these videos so that you know how the system is used. Let's click out of that and let's go on to step 4, which is the Pro University. There are 2 versions of the online marketing system. The Pro version is the version where you have access to everything with the exception of creating your own capture pages. That's the difference between Pro University and Elite University. We also have a video on Pro University, and then above that video is a click here link where we've got some bonus resources under Pro University. So there's some bonus resources there that you can utilize. Let's close that out. And finally, we'll go to step 5. Step 5 is Elite University. There's a video there. And once again, above the video is a click here link. That link will provide us with some additional links and trainings that and resources that are available to those in the Elite University. So we'll close that out. That's basically the step 1 through step 5 of your system. As we scroll down, you'll see that the system tracks emails that you've sent. It tracks the recent contacts, and it tracks your total contacts. So this is a snapshot view of your system. Let's go over here to the left-hand side. Let's take a look at View Lead. If we click on View Lead, this is going to show us our leads that are in the system. So we got names, we've got the dates that those leads actually came in. There's a score column, and the score column scores how many times the person has opened the email or how many times they visited your website. The higher the score, the more engaged that lead was. You've got the lead's email address as well as their phone number. So there's a lot of great data that's here. Now, there will be a black star beside the lead's name if they open the email that you sent to them. So that allows you to see that. Also, across the top here, we have many different campaigns. So Hire Your Children. If you click on the Hire Your Children campaign, it shows you the leads that came in under that particular campaign. So you've got all of these different campaigns that are across the top. Under the Actions button, you can see a lot of different things. If you click on View Edit, you can see where that lead came in from. You can see the capture page that they use, or the capture page that they came in under, as well as the IP address. We'll close that window out. There's a lot more other actions that are available here. You can email, you can look at stats and scores. We won't cover that in this quick short tutorial video, but get on our Tuesday night trainings and we actually will cover each and every step of this. Let's take a look at page statistics. With page statistics, we're able to take a look at how many total views, unique views, and opt-ins we've had on our site. So if we go back 6 months, and it will show me how many total views I've had, how many unique views, and how many opt-ins from those views. And so you can see August, September, and October here, and you can see what it's tracking. So there's a lot of tracking that goes on. If you decide that you want to create your own tracking, meaning you're going to place an ad on Craigslist and you want to see how many people come to your page from Craigslist, you can click on Add Page Tracking, and you can actually set up tracking. As you'll see, we've set up some tracking here. You can set up tracking for different places online that you're posting, and then begin to see where the traffic is actually coming from so that you can maximize your time. Let's go to appointments. If we click on appointments, it's just a calendar, and it shows us what appointments we have, what leads came in for that particular day. Next is the autoresponder. Now, the autoresponder, we've already pre-written autoresponder messages for you. What you can do is across the top, again, you'll see the different campaigns. So if we want Hire Your Children, we'll click on Hire Your Children. Doesn't look like anything's changed, but if you scroll down below, you will see that there are 3 autoresponder messages that actually will go out. You've got an instant message, message 1, and message 2 that goes out 1 day and 2 days later. And so if you want to see what those messages look like, you can click on the little eyeball here. It will actually open up and show you exactly what the message says and what it will look like to your prospect or your lead. Let's close that window out. We'll go back to our autoresponder. The other thing that you want to pay attention to with your autoresponder is if there's something that you don't like or you want to customize these autoresponders. If you click on the paper airplane, it will allow you to customize the autoresponder. And so what it does is it places it up here in this preview message, and then you will have the edit button where now you can edit the autoresponder to your liking. The other nice thing about our autoresponder service is that you can create even more autoresponders. Let's just say you've got Hire Your Children and you want to follow up more than just 3 times. You can actually create a new autoresponder by clicking on Add Autoresponse Message. Select the group that you want to add your autoresponder to, Hire Your Children, click Add. And then what it will do is it will give you the ability to create your own follow-up auto-response messages. And this is also available to a pro user. Let's take a look at email broadcast. Under email broadcast, you're able to broadcast your message to people in your different autoresponder groups. So let's just say debt elimination. You want to send something to everyone that has opted into your debt elimination group. You'll just select that, type in your message, hit send, and it will send it automatically, or you can schedule it for a time to send that message. Let's take a look at our banners. For those of you that are a little bit more advanced and you have websites or blogs, we actually have banner ads that you can paste and post onto your websites or your blogs. Right now, we have 9 different banner ads from 3 different campaigns. As time goes along, we will begin to add even more banner ads to this site. Last thing I want to take a look at is My Published Pages. Under My Published Pages, you're going to have a tab here that says Published Pages. If you are a pro user, these will be all of the capture pages that have already been designed for you. So for example, if we click on debt elimination here, we can click on that. That capture page is actually going to come up, and it will be a capture page that we can use to market our business. You can always capture the capture page address by just clicking in the window, copying that address. We can use URL shorteners, or we can go directly to Facebook and we can begin marketing this particular page. So if I go to Facebook and just paste that link in, and I'll make it only me, click post, and now you'll see that particular capture page in my Facebook timeline. All right, so that's the capture page, and there are many different capture pages that are available. Now, if you have a autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse, and you choose not to use the autoresponder that's already embedded into the system, that comes with the system, then any capture pages that are created, you can click edit, and then under edit, you can go to, I believe, basic settings. And under basic settings to the right, you will see set up third-party autoresponder. And here you have the ability of selecting either Aweber or GetResponse. And once you select the autoresponder, you can put in your campaign name. And now you can use the capture pages on the system, but drive your leads to your particular autoresponder, whether it be Aweber or GetResponse. This is all of the things that you can do as a pro user. As an elite user, the next thing you have is something called the drag and drop editor. This is where you can create your own lead capture pages, and you can create as many lead capture pages as you desire. We'll just take a look at how that works. We'll go here. We're going to create a capture page. With this capture page, there are 6 steps. You decide on the template. We'll take a template here. You decide on what color you want that capture page to be. You go to next. You then decide if you want a background image, background color, or if you want a video as your background. We'll take background image. We're just going to select the dog for right now, but there are many different images that are available that you can use, as well as you can upload your own image. We'll click next. Then what kind of information do we want to capture? Do we want to capture first name, last name, phone? Whatever's highlighted is what we're going to capture. Let's just capture email in this case. We'll click next. Now, we've got to have some buttons on our capture page. So we click on button list. There are tons of buttons here that we can use. Let's click on this button and click on next. You can even upload your own buttons if you decide to. Image, our ad copy. So if you want to have some ad copy here, we got ad copy. Plus we need to load up our video because we selected a capture page with a video. If we go over to YouTube or Vimeo, either will do, we can capture a video and use a video. So for example, let's take this video right here, how to build myEcon online. I'm going to click on that video, and then what we're going to do is we're going to copy the web address of that video. So let's copy the web address of the video, and then let's go back to our capture page and paste that video right there in that page. So we've pasted the video. You can auto start the video, you can mute the video. We're going to leave it as is, and then whatever ad copy you want to use, you can copy ad copy that we have here, or if you want to make your own ad copy, click on text, and then you can write in your ad copy. For right now, I'm just going to use an image ad copy, and then I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom, click next, and then we're just going to give the page a title. So we will give this a title, Financial Demo. We'll click save. And now your capture page has been created. The only thing that's left for us to do is to actually publish this page. So we're going to click on publish. We'll give it a name. We're not overwriting the file because this is the first time that we've created this capture page. If it was a new capture page or an old capture page and we were overwriting the file, we would say yes. Then it says, which email series would you like for this page? Basically, what autoresponder campaign would you like for this page? And so we're going to just select pay less in taxes. And then if we want them to go to a generic thank you page, we can do that. Or if we have a capture page or a landing page or thank you page that we want to send them to, we can create that here. For right now, we're just going to create generic thank you page, and we're going to click on publish. It takes approximately 20 seconds for the page to publish, and then once it publishes, you will see that there is a link down below. We'll click on that particular link, and that will take us to the capture page that we just created. So here's the capture page that we just created with the video, also with the capture page information, and that's pretty much it with the online marketing system. And so not only can we create capture pages like this, but we can also create web pages. If I go back and create a web page, because maybe I want to create my own landing page. And so with the web page, you'll see that it's easy as dragging and dropping. So let's just say that I'm creating a web page. I can create a header here, and I can update the photo, change the information in the header. Maybe I want to add a body to that particular page. So now I've added that body to the page. If I want to add video, I can add video. If I want to add a navigation, let's just pull some navigation in right there. Boom, there's navigation. If I want to change the colors of things, I click on this gear here. I can change the colors and just pull it right wherever I want to change it. So boom, I just changed the color there. Maybe I want the words to be in yellow. I put that over the letters. It's a little put here, and I'll put it right here over the letters. And you can see that all of that changes. So all of these are great features that we have within the online marketing system. This video is just a quick demo of what the online marketing system will do. If you like to learn more and get more in-depth information, meet with us on our Tuesday night online marketing system training classes, and you can get all of your questions answered and be able to see all of the different things that the online marketing system will do for you.